Hey everybody, I'm Guido and this is Trying Harder. Today we're going to unbox a 2023 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack Shaker 392 last call. I had this custom ordered, made to order, so let's go check it out. This menacing, iconic grille fronts the Challenger RT and is one of my favorite parts of this car. The splitter grille calls out the model with the legendary cursive. A special 2023 option is this beautiful B5 blue that was brought back from the past. Accenting this ocean of blue are black shakedown graphics that spoon the shaker intake and guide you the length of the vehicle. Speaking of the shaker intake, to its name, it shakes the engine as you accelerate and reminds everyone that there's a 392 V8 SRT Hemi MDS engine nestled and contained under the hood. Outside of the guy crab walking, these body lines are to die for and are my next favorite thing about this car. With a mix of modern and classic, these are plain sexy. I forwent the wide body option because I couldn't get myself to disrupt how sleek this body is. As you admire the body, you'll notice that the Shaker package added 2 of these Super B badges to the front fenders. The shakedown graphics leave you at the fat rear end, adorned with the Scat Pack spoiler and the iconic, also menacing taillights. Plenty of room for junk in this trunk. It's spacious for a sound system or groceries. No spare tire here. To save on weight, this was turned into storage for the battery and any roadside needs. A surprise addition was a tire service kit to air your tires up or down. Under the performance hood, a shaker decal adorns the intake cutout. Here's a view of the 392 V8 SRT Hemi with remote start and configurable drive modes that powers this beauty on high-performance suspension wearing its shaker hat. Still under its protective blue is the last call plaque that sadly marks this as the last model year but makes this a must-have car. Carrying this performance machine down the road are 4 20-inch granite wheels wrapped in 245 ZR20 all-season tires. When that reluctant time occurs when you must slow down, 4 Brembo disc brakes are employed off smoke brake. Going inside, the Alcantara Napa seats are ventilated in the front with heat and AC and have side airbags. Power 6-way driver's seat with 2-way power lumbar support lets you dial in the comfort. Making another appearance is the Super B on the front seats. Here's the view of the front floor chrome pedals with grips. The door has premium stitching with basic controls and a lower cup holder. All-speed traction and electronic stability control back this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel with media controls and paddle shifter. Standing out with the shaker package is this white-faced gloss black trimmed instrument cluster. The middle console has an 8.4-inch touchscreen followed by radio controls for 6 premium Alpine speakers and climate controls. Between the seats is a leather-wrapped shift knob controlling a Torque Flight 8-speed automatic transmission with 2 cup holders. More shaker callouts are on the vent and the middle info screen on startup. There is a small middle console that has 2 USBs, an aux, and a cigarette lighter power outlet. The display has a SRT dashboard with performance pages, launch control, drive modes, and race options. Far more settings and information than I'd utilize. When the rumble is put to bed, a SRT animation closes out the display. Finally, a view of the back seat with vents and middle drop-down cup holders. There's not a lot of legroom, but more than most sports cars. Thanks for watching. This thing is a beast. Let me know what you thought. Hope you enjoyed all the highlights I gave. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Like, subscribe, do all the things. And don't be like Dodge getting rid of a good thing for electric vehicles. Try trying harder.